The reason I created a specific live bacteria supplement for women, and it's called For Women, was because a few years ago a lady was referred to me for colon hydrotherapy treatment by her gastroenterologist. This particular lady had been suffering with chronic constipation for around 3 weeks, which is a long time. And they tried her on different medications, they tried different enemas, and nothing was, moving the impaction. And on this particular lady, they couldn't carry out a procedure called manual bowel evacuation, because to do that it meant her having an anaesthetic, and there was a risk that she may get an infection that required antibiotics. Now, this particular lady had developed antibiotic resistance, so they didn't want to carry out this procedure because there wasn't an antibiotic that would treat her infection had she gotten one. So she was referred to me to sort out the constipation, and I was able to do that with a couple of colon hydrotherapy treatments. But I was intrigued as to why she'd developed antibiotic resistance. So I was chatting with her, and she said that for decades she'd suffered with urinary tract infections and had been treated with antibiotics, and it's those antibiotics that had made her antibiotic resistant. And I remember thinking at the time, really angry, that this poor lady was in such a position for the rest of her life living where a simple infection could have been fatal. So I said to myself there and then that when I develop my own supplements, I would develop one specifically for women to help them reduce their chronic recurring urinary tract infections. So I've put species of bacteria in the For Women capsules that have research behind them that shows that they can influence and prevent recurring UTIs.